Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing good. So absolute sinister, very hard to trade this kind of market. If market is going up or it is going down, we can manage that kind of situation. But this kind of situation, traveling violently, in spite of VIX being very low, between 15,900 and 15,700 is something really irrational. How do you expect to trade in this kind of market? When I was short, market is reversing, it shorted up, and when it went to 16,000, I went long, it came back to 15,600, I shorted the market, it is reversing now. That is what has happened on Tuesday night also. Market was below 15,600, so I thought, okay, market is going to go down. And suddenly what happened, we don't have any, I'll tell you, you don't have to follow the Indian markets you don't have to follow the Indian fundamental, you just follow the US market, and that is what is going to happen here. Nothing, we don't have any local cues, we don't have anything for us. We are just simply following the US market. Whatever happens in the US market, ditto is happening here. And Tuesday, when the US markets were in the deep red, everybody shorted. And see what has happened today. People are shorting 15,700, 15,800, 15,900, all the way till 16,200 people were shorting. And today what has happened? Gapped up, 1% gap up, 15,725. Then what would have happened? Everybody would have gone for cover. And in fact, what we did on previous video, as I showed you in previous video, we had an iron fly and it went into loss. That is also fine. That is a hedged position. I had 15,800 naked position. You imagine the situation. But luckily, due to theta decay, that was in a small profit of around 3 or 4,000, but the iron fly was in a loss. I didn't do much about that iron fly, because as you know, this is an expiry and you cannot expect to do any adjustment on expiry day due to low premiums. So it is very hard to do a adjustment on the expiry day. So I just squared off, I booked loss in the iron fly and some minor profit in the 15,800 call which I have sold. Then now, as an option seller, we don't want to book loss. Then what I did, I went to Bank Nifty and then I did a short straddle, intraday short straddle in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has some premium, so we can make some profit. I thought that is what I'm thinking, right? That is my thought. Shooted up, it went, Bank Nifty went around 9:30, 9:45. I did a short straddle in Bank Nifty. Everything was fine. It was going up. I made some adjustment, and immediately after the European markets opened, it started falling. So total disaster day. You would have understood from my speech itself. See how low I am speaking. That is the amount of energy this market has consumed from me. So not even it didn't give me 5 minutes. Just from started 9:15, 9:20, first trade started till 3 o'clock. Continuously around 40 or 45 trades in just one trading session. So that's what we told in our Telegram group, that whether we earn or not, government is earning, your broker is earning, and everybody else is earning. Only the retail people like you and me are not earning. This is the toughest place for retail people. So how do we manage this kind of situation? Really, we don't know. We need high mind power, right, to manage this kind of situation, so that at the end of the day we come out with a minor profit or a good profit. So anyway, we managed to close our position. So we were in a loss of around 15 or 16k in the morning. Then we balanced it and we tried so many things, and I brought it down to 1,300 loss. So today trade is in a loss of around 13,000. Originally we were in a loss of around 15 to 16,000, and finally we were in a loss of when it comes to Ironfly and the naked call I sold, it is in a loss of around 1,300 rupees. So we managed somehow to bring down the losses to 1,300. So really it was a very tiring day. I don't want to talk about the market. If I tell market is going to go shoot up, it is going to come down. And when it is coming down, if I tell market is going to go down, it will shoot up. So not only me, everybody. I saw one news TV channel. So one analyst said on Tuesday, so market is going to go down. So you can sell put, you can buy put options. Then suddenly today morning he told market has bottomed out. So now you can buy calls. Then what is the status of people who would have bought calls listening to him? So anyway, this is pathetic, right? Nobody can predict the market. It is very hard to trade in these kind of markets. So that's what I want to say. So I'm really low and lots of energy consumed today. So we'll finish it off here for now. Take care. Bye.